Okay, we'll look at a few examples of conversion and conversion of area units. So, as we remember that, let's write these conversions first. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. We also know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. Okay, now keeping that in mind, let's do a couple of examples where we are converting the area units. Okay, so if we need to convert 56 square centimeters to square millimeters. Now, as we know that so what we're looking for is the centimeter and millimeter conversion. Now remember, this is only for length conversions, but what we're doing over here is looking for area conversions. So based on that, we know that to change from centimeters to millimeters, we need to multiply by 10. Following on from that, if it's square centimeters to square millimeters, we do the same, multiply, but instead of 10, it's 10 squared. So see the pattern from the length to the area conversion is just centimeters, and when it becomes area, it's square centimeters. Likewise, millimeters, square millimeters. So therefore, the conversion amount also increases by 10. Instead of timesing it by 10, you multiply by 10 squared. So now we're converting 56 square centimeters to square millimeters. Okay, so therefore what you do is you take 56, so it's basically 56 times 10 squared. Now we know 10 squared is 100. Okay, so we take the number 56, look for our decimal point, which is right at the end, okay, because we're multiplying by a power of 10, the decimal point shifts forwards or to the right. The power is 2, so it'll shift 2 places. So from there, it'll shift 1 place over there and 1 over there. The gaps is filled out by our zeros, and what we end up getting is 56. Let me rewrite that a bit neater. 5,600 square millimeters. Okay, now let's look at another example. Say we have 34,500 square meters, and you need to convert that to hectares. Now, based on that, okay, 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. So now, what that means is if we have to convert from hectare to square meters, we need to multiply by 10,000. But for this question, we need to convert from square meters to hectares. So therefore, we are actually reversing the process. So we go from square meters to hectares. When we're reversing the process, we reverse the operation as well. So instead of multiplying, it's dividing by 10,000. Okay, so what we'll do over here is we'll take our 34,500, divide by 10,000. Okay, 10,000, if you see, has got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That indicates that our decimal point will shift 4 places because we are dividing. Dividing means it'll move to the left or backwards. At the moment in 34,500, the decimal point is right at the end. If we shift it back 4 places in between digits, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it ends up between 3 and 4, which gives us 3.45 hectares.